Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. First, let's have a look at the headlines. National COVID-19 recovery rate reaches 93.67% in Meghalaya. Doctor among two succumbed to COVID-19. Death toll rises to 106. Centre, Government of Meghalaya and the World Bank signs a $120 million pact to push road projects in Meghalaya. Education Minister Lakman Rumboy inaugurates new school building of Nongchlo Higher Secondary School at Diwan, lays base of Iglavia Model Residential School at Pahams Aim. Shillong joins Chhat Puja celebration across the country. Devotees offer Pratha Arghya to the rising sun. And now for the news in detail. With 46,232 new COVID-19 cases, India's total cases touch 90,50,598. 564 new deaths in the last 24 hours. The death toll has gone up to 1,32,726. The Health Ministry said active cases stands at 4,39,747. Total discharged cases are at 84,78,124. In the past 24 hours, 49,715 people have been discharged. With this, the recovery rate has reached 93.67%. In Meghalaya, two more persons, including a renowned doctor from West Jaintia Hills, have succumbed to COVID-19, taking the number of fatalities to 106 on Friday, even as 173 new positive cases were also detected. The Government of India, Government of Meghalaya and the World Bank have signed a $120 million project to improve and modernize the transport sector of the state of Meghalaya. This will help Meghalaya to harness its vast growth potential for high-value agriculture and tourism. The project will improve about 300 kilometers of strategic road segments and stand-alone bridges by using innovative, climate-resilient and nature-based solutions. It will also support innovative solutions such as precast bridges to reduce both time and cost of construction. The loan agreement was signed by Dr. C.S. Mohapatra on behalf of the Government of India and H. Mori, Operations Manager, India World Bank, on behalf of the World Bank. Whereas the project agreement was signed by Dr. Vijay Kumar D, Commissioner and Secretary Planning on behalf of the Government of Meghalaya, and H. Mori, Operations Manager, India World Bank, on behalf of the World Bank. The public hearing over the proposed limestone and shale mining project of Star Cement Meghalaya over an area of 42.051 hectare under Bri Shirnoth village, East Jaintia Hills district, was called off today by the Deputy Commissioner, East Jaintia Hills District, E. Kharmalki, who was chairing the hearing after the forced entry of different NGOs to the stage in protest to this public hearing. The problem started when the different NGOs were not allowed to take part in the hearing except some selected members from different NGOs. The situation turned violent after the miscreants started pelting stones. Police were forced to spray the tear gas to stop the forced entry. In this incident, 7 police personnel sustained injuries due to pelting of stones. The public hearing was organized by Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board for the proposed project of Star Cement.
Jika public hearing jadi tanggawai ke proses, kaba persiaan ni persiaan. Jadi tanggap proses, public hearing, ke forum jadi jisa ban register, ban I keteng, ban keren iwek kumbadi ban lek. Taban nakadaw pila inyong kumdi ngasutro. Kata proses kamlangkap, ban implement yang provision yang Environmental Protection Act. Kakung kay EIA, UDC dari Sarban juga public hearing. Ketika public hearing kadang nanti affected persons, kumpang apa High Court order, affected person tu kita nang ni, kita belum affected tu kita nang ni fair kata. Public hearing fair. Dia bentah, nama situation ila persiang, ila le, pai ba, olah penpau, olah pentut, ya kena kita public hearing Asno ba lesi gimla shubanteng.
The Poultry Farming Association of Nongstoin, under the umbrella of the Sinjuk Kinongri But Nongdi Dosiar Nongstoin town area, on Friday protested the transportation of poultry from outside into the district. Talking to reporters, Association Secretary Chesterwell Kharbani said that the association had to take this step in order to stop the flow of poultry from outside into Nongstoin market, since it has badly affected the local poultry farmers. Most of the local people refused to buy their chicken and instead prefer to buy chicken coming from outside, claiming that the price is much cheaper than the local one, he said.
Along banama ba kijinge kibangi kandu bilang ba ikat banang mi kisni na kaliang jungi kinangari na po sa po nginang tiu nginang ibun na kijingwan telep pelat kisia kibanamba balong ba ka thombo no ngi le kakam jungi ngi kamai ngi im na kani kakam hadu ba teng teng lapoi hadu put ba ye kisia kila suyap don kep kibala haban su ai no kisniang di kalong ke bas ngisi hadu kata kalong ba yangi kinong rasanya ubeng.
Meghalaya Education Minister Lakmen Rimboy on Friday inaugurated the new school building of Nongtlu Higher Secondary School at Diwan and also laid the foundation stone for the construction of Eklavya Model Residential School at Paham's Aim. Rimboy was accompanied by Didi Lapang, Chief Advisor to the Government of Meghalaya, as the guest of honour, Meryl Bonds Aim MLA of Nongpo, Balajit Rani MDC and several top government officials. The Eklavya Model Residential School is the flagship program of the central government for the tribal people, the first of its kind in the state, and 39 more such schools are to be started across the state in the days to come. The 4-day-long celebration of Chhath Puja concluded this morning with devotees paying oblation to the rising sun in different parts of the country. The Bihari community residing in Shillong celebrated Chhath Puja, maintaining strict COVID-19 protocols in various parts of the city. People queued up in puja ghats to offer their rituals, maintaining social distance. The festival, which began on Wednesday, concluded with devotees offering Pratha Arghya to the rising sun and ending their 36-hour-long fast by taking Chhath Prasad. Mau Phanlor, tourist spot of West Khasi Hills district, which has remained closed due to COVID-19 pandemic for the last 6 months, has been opened for tourists. The Mau Phanlor Integrated Village Cooperative Society, along with the Village Defence Party, has taken the initiative in this regard. Boli Roy Linkhoy, Secretary of Mau Phanlor Integrated Village Cooperative Society, told that the village has got the permission from the Office of the Deputy Commissioner, West Khasi Hills District, to reopen the tourist spot. All the protocols given by the government through the Health Department will be followed while welcoming tourists. Now let's have a look at the weather report. Maximum temperature 20.5 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 10.5 degrees Celsius, relative humidity in the morning 71% and in the evening 79%, rainfall nil. Forecast: Shillong and its adjoining areas most likely to have cloudy sky with haze. Well, our news bulletin is now available live on our YouTube page. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in to our daily bulletin. Well, that's all we have for you in today's edition of the news. Do tune in tomorrow at the same time and same channel. Have a good night.